Well, people, great you're here. We comparing Telus versus Shaw and two major internet service providers in Canada. And we start off with the first one. And before we start off with the first one, I want to ask you, please subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful. Maybe at the end of the video or like this video. Well, first, coverage and availability. Comparing Telus and Shaw. And Telus provides internet services primarily in Western Canada, with a strong presence in British Columbia, Alberta, and part of Eastern Canada. Shaw operates predominantly in Western Canada, particularly in British Columbia, Alberta, and Manitoba, with limited coverage in Eastern Canada, and that's very important to know. Well, the second one is speed and performance. Telus offers high-speed internet options, including fiber optic, Telus Pure Fiber, and DSL plans with reliable performance and competitive speeds. Shaw provides high-speed cable internet services with packages offering fast download and upload speeds, particularly in areas with upgraded infrastructure. Number 3, customer service. Telus is known for its customer service quality, offering multiple support channels and dedicated assistance to address customer inquiries and concerns. Shaw generally provides good customer service, although some customers have reported occasional issues with responsiveness and resolution times. Well, your price and your value for money. Telus offers competitive pricing for its internet packages, with discounts available for bundling services such as TV and home phone. Shaw also offers competitive pricing, but various bundled packages including internet, TV and home phone services, providing good value for money. Well, the additional features. Telus provides additional features such as optic TV and digital television service with features like PVR and on-demand content. Shaw offers features like Shaw Blue Curve TV and a streaming TV service and access to Shaw Go Wi-Fi hotspots across Canada. Well, the last one is reliability, and then we come to the conclusion, so stick with me. The Telus is known for its reliable internet connectivity, especially with its fiber optic network, offering consistent performance and minimal downtime. Shaw generally provides reliable internet service, although occasional network congestion or outages may occur, particularly during peak usage hours. Well, if you are still here, respect for you, and we come up with a conclusion and then we end the video. Well, Telus and Shaw are both reputable internet service providers in Canada, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Telus excels in customer service reliability and its fiber optic network infrastructure, offering high-speed internet options with competitive pricing. Shaw, on the other hand, provides fast cable internet services with a focus on bundled packages and additional features like streaming TV services. The choice between Telus and Shaw will depend on factors such as location, desired internet speed, pricing, and preference for additional features like TV and home phone services. It's advisable to compare plans and consider individual requirements before making a decision. And we come to an end of this video. I want to thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.